Hello, you're welcome. My name is Johnson, and today I am doing the 5 minutes makeup challenge. I say 5 minutes. I've been seeing this going on Instagram for a while now, and I decided to give it a try. Like, who does makeup in 5 minutes? Well, I can try. Like, most of the time when I'm in a hurry to go to work early in the morning, I could do like maybe between 10 to 15 minutes, depending. But let's see where this 5 minutes is going to get us to. So I am about to time myself. I have seen so many beauty gurus do it on Instagram, and I like the rush. They are sweating, and what else could I say? That rush to just get your makeup done and you're tensed up. I think I'm already feeling tensed up right now. So let's just give it a try. So my phone is on my stopwatch, and I'm about to start. So let's start. Already started. Oh my god. Okay. So first thing first. Time is going. What am I doing? Oh lord. So I'm using my Pond's. I'm using my Pond's oil control. I'm just going to put it on. I'm just going to put it on the. Oh my god. So I'm just going to put it on the areas. I'm going to put it, and oh my god, I'm tense, guys. So I'm using my sponge from. I have everything on my table, Oh my god. I think I just hope this is not a mess. Guys, I've already spent 1 minute. Like, seriously. Foundation takes forever, guys. Like, seriously. Okay, now I'm getting tense. I'm using my concealer, any girl. We're almost at 2 minutes. I'm using my Safta Butter Cosmetic Powder. And now I'm using my Milani powder. Crazy. I'm using my lipstick by Huda Beauty. I'm just going to apply some blush. What am I saying? I want to put some lip gloss by Victoria's Secret. Oh my lord, my brows. I can never do without my brows. This is just line my eyes. Oh, pull it up! My BH Cosmetics eyeliner. And then my Mabrook, what's it called? Mascara. It's almost 5 minutes, guys. Like, this is crazy. I need to contour. If I don't use a blush, I'm okay. I'm going to use my eye pencil to just line my lips quickly. And like, guys, I can still. What's next, Corey? Oh my God! Blush. Time is up. Oh my Lord! Like, seriously, what do I look like? My earring is about to fall off. I tried, guys. Like, you know, I don't know. This got me sweating. Like, sorry, I'm using tissue to dab my hair, but this is what I can use right now because I'm really sweating. I like what I look like. I don't really look bad. At least my, it's just that my, what's it called? It looks like I'm having a flashback under here. And, but I think, I don't know, I think I can go on like this. What do you guys think? I really love, you know, the rush, the intensity, and I think I didn't do bad at all. I'm just gonna take a picture, you know, just so I have something to post on Instagram. Probably post it on my YouTube page. Guys, I'm having flashbacks. Like, I can see like my powder jumping back right at me, right here, somewhere here. My makeup hasn't really settled in. Well, you can give it a try. It's not that bad, you know. Just make sure that you don't carry, you know, an undone makeup. It's better not to have makeup done at all than having an undone makeup look out there. So I still look okay. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.